Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blazing World. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to claim the grass tokens, how to participate in this airdrop. All you have to do is to watch this video till the end because you will learn a lot from it. Now without further ado, let's get to the steps. Now the first thing you need to do is to create an account. To create an account, click on the description box below and you'll find the registration link. Now click on the link, but if you are finding it hard to click on the link, please join my Telegram group where the link will be available. Then you click on it and create an account. Now once you've created an account and have your account, as you can see that I have here, you won't be earning immediately yet. For you to earn, there are certain things you must do for you to be able to earn this token. As you can see here, it is showing connected and I am earning, you can see today's earning 27.18 grass token. So for you to be able to earn, first thing you need to do is either you click on the description box below again, you find another link to download an extension which you can use to connect to earn, or you just go to your app store and download Kiwi browser. That's if you are using a phone. Now this is my app store. I'll just search Kiwi browser and this is it. Well, you can use your system. If you are using a computer, you can just download this extension using your Firefox browser, and you can also use it. You can also do this task with your phone, and this is the process I'm showing you, so make sure you watch it till the end. Do not skip any parts. Now this is the Kiwi browser here. You'll download it. I have downloaded it, so let me open it so you see. Now this is my Kiwi browser and I'm here already. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button because your subscription keeps us motivated and to make it another video for you. Now if you're here, all you have to do now is to input the link you copied to search for the extension. Now I'll do that, and as you can see, this is it. This is the grass extension. As you can see, I've added it already. As it's already showing me remove from Chrome. If I tap it, it will remove, but since you have not added it, as you're starting it afresh, it will show you add to Chrome. Now all you have to do is just click add to Chrome and it will be added. So I've added it to my Chrome, and let me tap on this three dotted line and scroll down. As you can see, this is my grass extension. As you can see, it is connected. So once your data is on, to be connected, but you have to come here and connect it. Once you on your data, you'll be earning. You can just leave it and be doing other things. You must not stay in the app. So as you can see, it is connected and I am earning. Now let's go to the app so you can see where I am earning. Let's open my dashboard. Open dashboard. So this is where I am earning it. As you can see, it is showing connected, which means I am earning, and this is it, 30.02 I've earned so far today. Once my data is on, it will connect automatically, and there are more things you can do to earn. You can either click on the referral program here and copy your referral link, which is it here, to refer your friends and loved ones, and once you refer them, you get points as they join. And you can also connect more devices. To do that, you go back to your dashboard and click on add network. Now if you have another phone or another system, you can just download the extension and then log into that extension and also connect it. Once you do that, you can be earning more at the same time. Make sure you connect it and you'll be earning more. And these are ways you can earn from this Grass Airdrop. Now make sure you do not miss this airdrop. You can do your own research on your own free time. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you drop your comments. Make sure you like this video, and if this is your first time in this channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever we post any of our amazing updates.